Determining location. Determine location of studs behind drywall and mark 4 locations for projector mount wall bracket attachment over studs. Use the installation template included to assist in placing and installing the AN3 mounting system. Place template against wall with top edge of screen line placed at desired location. Important: be sure there is a minimum of 1 inch between the top of mount and the ceiling. See installation template. Installing projector mount wall bracket. Loosen 2 flathead cap screws on projector mount wall bracket. Slide wall bracket uprights to corresponding width of studs. Tighten 2 flathead cap screws on wall bracket. Note: for wood or steel stud walls, mark at least 2 locations over studs for attachment a minimum of 16 inches apart and a maximum of 24 inches apart. For concrete walls, mark at least 2 locations for attachment a minimum of 16 inches apart. Drill 1 pilot hole at each location marked in Step 4 and follow fastener information, appropriate for wall type, located in Table 1. Install 4 fasteners appropriate for wall type through outer holes of projector wall mount bracket into pilot holes and tighten. Installing screen mounting bracket. The distance between the screen mounting bracket lower mounting holes and the projector mount wall bracket mounting holes varies and is dependent upon whether the projector is a lamp model or laser model. See Figure 5. Fasten screen mounting bracket to wall using fasteners appropriate to wall type.